is no doubt that Trump's policy will aim to make us pay for what are perceived as the unfair practices that the EU tariff. So I definitely expect more economic pain for Europe coming from the US, which is almost certain. To avoid the worst case scenario, Europe must find a way to engage with Trump and entice him into a compromise. At the same time, we should also collaborate with our partners to support the evolving international economic reality. Globalization may be changing its shape, but the global community still needs a shared set of common rules.